Any other questions, wins, concerns? Anybody want to share?
Hey, I got something for you guys. Can you hear me?
What's up, Nate? How are you?
How are you guys?
Good, good.
I know a lot of you probably don't know me. I kind of not been around for a little while, you know?
Yeah, you disappeared on us. I assumed you went on vacation.
You know, I disappeared. I got a story though. I really do. So
All right.
again, I took Nate the Great. I gotta stand up. So I took your program right back in January, February. That's when I started. I put all my money in there. As we all know, I was negative $1,000 at one point, right? I really was. I had no money. And then the comeback, man. So fast forward, my first check was $5,200. It what basically paid for the course, right? And this is like a month and a half ago. And then more checks came in and more checks, you know. And I just want to show you guys something. This is $500.
Woo!
And then let's put that in comparison to some big dog money. You know, I got so much money rolling in that I don't even feel like working anymore. Like that's. So,
I always enjoy when Nate comes on camera.
I went shopping at the mall and I got some new pairs of shoes. So, but yeah, but I'm coming back. So, you know, I took a 4-week, 5-week saga. I didn't do any marketing for 5 weeks. I still closed on a deal last Thursday, made $2,200.